Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to AOL Mail. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.aol.com and hit enter. After the home page of AOL opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this login/join option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login/join option, you'll be guided to another page. Now to create an account, click on this create an account option. Once you click on the create an account option, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your first name here, your last name here, your new email address which you'll create with the extension @aol.com here. So type in an email address or a username and then fill in a password that you want. So you'll have to type in another username if it says that it's not available. Now select a country or mobile phone number code by clicking on this option, which will show you a list of countries. Scroll and find your country and then fill in your mobile number. Now you'll have to fill in your birth date by clicking on this option to select the month. Fill in your day here, your year here, and your gender here, and then click on this continue option. Once you click on the continue option, you will be sent to another page where you'll have to click on this text me a verification code option. Once you click on the text me a verification code option, a code will be sent to your mobile number that you just entered. Now enter the code exactly as it is in this text field. Make sure that is correct and then click on this verify option. Once you click on the verify option, and if you have filled in all the required steps and credentials correctly, an account for you on AOL will be created. Now just simply click on done, which will redirect you to your new AOL account. As you can see on my screen, a new account has been created for me on AOL. I hope this video helps you to sign up to AOL. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.